Today we are going to be discussing three hazards. Our first hazard is going to bring us to California, specifically Los Angeles, and we are going to be discussing droughts. Droughts can affect a large area that has not received precipitation for a prolonged period of time. Los Angeles has been one of these areas predominantly affected. As you can see by the image right here, how dry it can be. Some ways to best protect against droughts are for farmers to adopt better irrigation techniques, storing water in ditches along fields, monitoring soil moisture regularly, and rotating and planting more drought-resistant crops. Also, for large cities such as Los Angeles, as seen right here, the best way for it to protect against a drought is to limit the amount of water usage in daily life. Our next hazard is going to take us to Nicaragua, in which we are going to be discussing about volcanism. Volcanism is affected by the collision of two tectonic plates rubbing against each other, in which heat begins to develop and rock begins to form magma spewing up to the surface, causing an eruption. The two tectonic plates in effect here are the Coast plate subducting against the Mediterranean plate. The city affected right here against this volcano that can be seen here is Masaya, and another city right here, La Concepcion. Best ways to protect against volcanoes is to stay as far from the area as possible, and if caught in a volcano, it is best to stay indoors, secure all windows and doors, stay inside, and cover your face with a damp towel to breathe clean air, waiting it out until the eruption has finally subsided. Our next area is going to take us to Miami, Florida, in which we will be discussing hurricanes. Hurricanes predominantly affect coastal cities, as strong winds can sweep away loose-lying objects and can cause storm surges, as I will represent to you right now, of 4 to 5 feet in a Category 1 hurricane, which would leave many vehicles beneath water, and in rare occasions, a Category 5 hurricane can cause 19 plus feet in water rise. The best way to protect against hurricanes is to prepare supplies such as water and food, leaving low-lying areas as quickly as possible, securing all loose objects from outside, boarding up all the windows, and awaiting to see when it is safe to return. Thank you, and that is all for my presentation today.